I guess I made one too many diagram right here, so I'm going to get rid of this one and copy the last one that I put together, the combined diagram, and make sure that I say copy from a known point, and we had 500 feet, right? 500 feet. There we go. Okay. For this diagram, I'm going to make a view. We already did a view in diagram, so what we're going to do is to make a view out diagram. So somewhere over here, right, if I place my object, which is, I probably should make a new layer for that one, sorry. Let's see, new layer, and then I'll put the med-cube or something. I'll keep it as white so that it'll show up, and then keep that as the current layer, and draw a box that is at 30 feet, 30 feet, and then move that into place. So this is our meditation cube. Oh, we wanted it facing west, so we'll rotate that. Rotate. Whoops, Control Z. Rotate. Select the object somewhere there, I don't care where, and it'll be 6 degrees. Okay, so your building has to be somewhere where it's visible, so somewhere across that line and aligned to maybe this this path, or it has to be totally hidden from the approach, so it could be somewhere over here or somewhere on this side. Okay, so as for the view, we should state which views are available. Okay, so what I'm going to do is to draw a polyline, and if my building is somewhere around the middle of the site, we'll just pick middle of the site for the heck of it, right? So near this, my view is going to be out over, I can't see beyond the trees over here, so I'm going to place it right at the tangency of the trees. Okay, draw another polyline, and that tangency is over there. Okay, so there I have a view of the Pacific coast. Okay, and then on the other side, on the other side, I'm supposed to have a view of the hills or the mountains. So the same thing, I'm going to say I have a polyline from the center out and center out by the trees, and there will be a view of the mountainside. Okay, I also have view of this of the city or the town below, so I could say polyline from there down somewhere in the tangency of the trees. Oops. I'll get rid of that line. Delete. Tangency of the trees, P line from there to there. I should get the city view right there. Okay, so if I draw a circle from the middle of the site, and this is a little bit arbitrary right now, I could extend the view lines to that, or I could use that circle to trim those lines over there. And I guess I could even say trim the circle something like that, so that this will be one view, this will be another view, and that'll be another view. And of course, what I forgot to do is put this all on a separate layer, right? Okay, so let's create another layer. So diag view, and while I'm at it, I'll create another layer and call it diag view hatch. Okay, and I'll set this as a different color as well. I'll set cyan for that, and I'll set again the 143 for the hatching. Okay, so after I'm done with that, I could join these guys or p-edit those guys together. Join, join, and then join these guys. Make sure that these are now on that view diagram layer, and I should be able to hatch this thing to that area. Okay, so if I go to the diagram view hatch and do the hatch command, and this time I will select the dots right there, dots, as the type of hatch, and then select the object. If I select the points right here, it's gonna find whatever is the closest part, whatever's the blocked out part, right? So if I do a select, I can select the object, and that's what's going to be hatched. Okay, so the hatch scale I might turn into something a little bit, well, let's try 1 for now. That's not good. So the hatch might be something like 120, and there is my hatch. Maybe the hatch should be a little bit more, so let's try 240. I wonder what it looks at 50. Yeah, I think I like 240 the best. Okay, so that's my hatch at 240, and since it is a little dot, or the little it's gonna just look like a screen. Also, when I get to the printing part, I could always change the line weight of this thing, of the view diagram hatch layer, so that these dots could appear as a bigger dot. Okay, but anyway, I'm going to set this as the as a hatch. So select that and select that. Okay, and keep this as the view diagram. I think I'll, for the heck of it, I'll label this ocean view, this as the mountain view, and this as the town view when I get this to a paper space. Okay,